In this short video, we'll guide you through installing and setting up the Xpert VoicePulse app on your Windows system. To get started, you need to download the Xpert VoicePulse installer from the link provided below this video. Once it's downloaded, open the file and run the installer to set up the app and get all the required files on your system. After the installation is complete, restart your computer. This ensures that the app starts automatically when your system reboots. Once the system is back on, the Xpert VoicePulse window will pop up. Here you'll need to enter your shop token, which you can find in the store section of your Xpert dashboard. After you enter and verify the token, the app will start running quietly in the background. It will automatically transcribe your conversations and upload them securely. And whenever needed, you can use the sign out option to reset the shop token and exit the app. Thank you for watching the video.